Welcome to 24 Thistle Lane here in Naugatuck, Connecticut. Starting at the front, you enter into a clean and well-maintained space that opens right into the main living area. The first floor features a bright, open living and dining area with updated flooring and a comfortable layout. Just off the living space is the kitchen, offering a functional setup with good cabinet storage. From here, you have direct access to the back deck, bringing in natural light and easy indoor-outdoor flow. Practical counter space and a clean layout. The deck overlooks a large yard, providing a quiet and private outdoor space. Back inside, the kitchen includes full appliances and additional storage, making it both practical and efficient for everyday use. Continuing on the first floor, you'll find a bedroom with good natural light and closet space. The room is well-sized and offers a straightforward, functional layout. This level also includes a full bathroom with a clean setup and a full tub and shower. Additional storage space is available, adding to the overall functionality of the first floor. Heading upstairs, you'll find two additional bedrooms, both with good space, natural light, and clean finishes. Each room includes closet storage and a practical layout. The second bedroom offers similar space and flexibility. The second floor also features another full bathroom, complete with a full shower and additional storage. Along with natural light from above. Overall, this is a 2-floor home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, offering a clean layout, solid space, and a comfortable living setup throughout.